Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Google Sheets using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to work with data from a PDF in a spreadsheet format, making it easier to analyze, edit, and share with your team. Let's jump right into it. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files where you'll see a list of documents you've worked with. From this list, select the PDF file you want to convert to Google Sheets. This saves you time searching through folders if you've recently accessed the document. After selecting your file, look up to the upper left toolbar and click on Convert. This is the main hub for transforming your PDFs into different formats, and it's where we'll start the conversion process. Once you click it, you'll see various export options appear. In the left panel that opens up, you'll notice several format choices. For this tutorial, select Microsoft Excel. This option is crucial because it converts your PDF into a format that Google Sheets can easily read and work with. Even though we're heading to Google Sheets, we need to go through Excel format first as an intermediary step. Next, click on Convert to XLSX. The XLSX format is the standard Excel file type, and it's fully compatible with Google Sheets, which is why we're using it. Adobe will now prepare your PDF for conversion, structuring the data into rows and columns. Now you'll be prompted to choose where you want to save this converted file. Select the folder that makes the most sense for your workflow, whether that's documents, downloads, resources, or desktop. Picking the right location now will make it easier to find the file in just a moment. Before saving, take a second to rename the file if needed. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're converting multiple files. Once you've got the name you want, click Save. Adobe will now process the conversion, so give it a few moments to complete. You might see a progress indicator as it works through the document. With your file now converted and saved, open Google Sheets and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, look over to the right panel and click on Open File Picker. This is how you'll bring external files into Google Sheets. In the window that appears, click on Upload. This tells Google Sheets you want to bring in a file from your computer rather than selecting from your Google Drive. Next, click Browse, which opens your computer's File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where you saved your converted XLSX file, select it, and then click Open. Google Sheets will now begin uploading and converting the file. Wait for a few seconds while it generates and processes the data. You'll see the spreadsheet populate with all the information from your original PDF, now fully editable in Google Sheets. And there you have it, you've successfully converted a PDF to Google Sheets using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.